Hello everybody, it's Miss Ginny from the Rotary Children's Library. I'm here to show you one of the crafts that we're going to be making today called a transforming ninja star. So I've made a larger size one that was done with 5.5 by 5.5 square paper. I've also done a little one that's done with 3.5 by 3.5 square paper. So that's where you're going to need your ruler and your pencil just to measure. I also just did one that I decorated up. So again, you can be creative with whatever you want to use. Colored paper, white paper that you design things on, color on, whatever you want to do. I found the 3.5 by 3.5 was a little bit easier to work with than the larger one, but it's totally up to you. So you will be able to find the instructions for this craft on our website at DVLibrary.ca under Summer Reading Club Crafts and Games. All right, let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is take one square and you're going to fold it so that it's a triangle. So one point, go to the center point. Now you have a triangle. So you can see, you open it up, turn it, now it looks like a diamond, and you're going to go the other corner up to the center, run your finger along, make sure you're getting really good creases in this, that makes the difference. Now it looks like it's an X. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to turn it and you're going to fold it in half. Again, I can't stress enough, press down hard with your fingers and make sure that you get good creases. So you can see there's an X and there's also a fold down the center. Now you're going to take the top right corner. You can just keep your finger there to keep it in line, and you're going to line it up with the center, and you're going to make a little corner triangle there. You want to do the same for the other side, so you can just turn it, line it up. Oh, this one was a little short. Okay, line it up. And you're doing the same thing on this side. Now you want to take it and fold it in half. So just line your paper up. Make a crease down the middle again, so you can see that you've got a pointy end and you've got kind of a square end. I'm just going to press a little bit better here because it's not pointy enough for me. Okay, so now you have this like that. The next thing you want to do is turn it over so that you're holding the point this way. And now you're going to move your fingers to the middle. You can see where that line goes to the middle. Open this end up and just push it in. Just like that. Now you have made a parallelogram. You will have to have 8 pieces of these square papers. I chose different colors because I wanted it to be quite colorful. Once you've finished doing all 8 of these and they're parallelograms, I've pre-done them. So I have those. Now you are going to take I call it kind of an arrow, I guess. So you want to take the longer end, keep the shorter end here, hold it at the top. I'm going to mix my colors. I'm going to set one inside the other, and you just want to hold it in place. You always move your hand up a little bit to hold it in place. Open this one up and just fold inside on one side. Make sure you make a good crease and fold inside on the other side. Now they're interlocking. So the whole key with this transforming star is these are going to run along the edges of these. So just press it together, now hold it there. I'm taking another color. It's up to you what color you want to use. Remember to always put the shorter end in first. You can see this is the longer end, this is the shorter end. You're just tucking it in there, right to the corner, line it up, move your hand along so that you can hold it in place, and tuck. Make sure you make that really defined so that it's tucked in there well. I'm going to use orange next. Hold it in there, do the same thing. So you're doing this with all of them until you have used up all 8 of your parallelograms. Let's see, blue. We'll use blue next. And remember, don't put it upside down like that. Put it in like this. You've got the folded end at the top. Tuck it in. Tuck it in. So it's like a miniature little triangle you see each time. Then press them together because then it gives it a more defined. Okay, so now I'm going to do red. Same thing. I'm going to hold it there. Press it in. Now I move to the next one. So what do we have? Yellow next. If you want to do a pattern, do a pattern. If you don't want a pattern, don't do a pattern. It's totally up to you. Wait a minute. Yes. Okay, just making sure I got the right end. Fold it in. Okay, now this is where it gets a little bit difficult, but not bad. Again, I'm doing the same thing. It's just that you've got a lot and you want to have 8 in all. Make sure I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time I was doing a video with this, I had 9 and I didn't realize it until I got to the end. Okay, now you're going to slip this one inside and you're going to do the same thing. Now, when you get to the end, don't tuck it over the red one like it shows there. You still have to get it in here. This is the difficult part. So I would suggest bend it a little bit to get it in there. You see? Now you need to just put it on the blue here. Bend it a little bit before you put it in. It'll be easier to do it that way. Okay, so now I just go around and I press every one of these just to make sure that I've got it. Now we have an octagon shape. Now to transform it into a star like this, you gently start to push from side to side, gently, so it moves along from side to side towards the middle, because you want to get it so that it's in the middle there. And just keep working at it. Sometimes you have to turn it a few times until you get it right in the middle so that it comes to a point. And you can see it's starting to transfer into a star. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Sometimes you have to just fiddle with it until it's... All right, and now you have your ninja star. Have fun playing with it. See if your friends can make one. Show them how to do it. We'll talk to you again soon. Have fun. Bye.